In Creo Parametric, you can use Creo Ansys Simulation to run structural, thermal, and modal analyses. But there are a few .NET components you will need to have installed on your computer. Here I am in Creo Parametric. If I go to Applications, then Ansys Simulation, this puts me in the environment. So let's say that you get into Creo Ansys Simulation and you apply your materials and your constraints and your loads, but then when you go to the Refine Model tab and then Mesh Control, the Generate Mesh button is grayed out, or if you go back to the Ansys Simulation tab, the green Run flag button is grayed out. That means you are missing some components that you need to have installed. Let's take a look at those different components. Here I am on a web page on Microsoft.com's website, and this is for downloading .NET 8.0. I am making this video in May 2026, running Creo Parametric 12, and so these are the current components. If you are watching this after 2026, you should look into what the correct versions are for your version of Creo Parametric and Creo Ansys Simulation. But anyhow, on this page, there are three different things that I need to download and install. Over on the right-hand side, we have ASP.NET Core Runtime 8. Blah, blah, blah. Well, you are going to have to find the appropriate installer for your computer and then download it and run it. And then do the same for the .NET Desktop Runtime application, and then also for the .NET Runtime application. You're going to have to download and install all three of those different things and then restart your computer. And after you do that, then you should be able to mesh your models and also run the simulations in Creo Ansys Simulation.